On the bright side of the road. And there's even a cow in the rose garden. Swing a bit. I love your goatee. It's beautiful. No, don't worry. Today we are visiting Morrinsville, another little township only 20 minutes drive from where we're staying in Te Aroha in the Waikato. We've heard that Morrinsville has a herd of cows for us to look at, so come and join us as we explore Morrinsville. There's a bunch of these cows here in Morrinsville. Aren't they the cutest? Too cute. Oh, all on every corner. You one over there? Probably. Canada Street, eh? Oh yeah, I can see the rear of it. Tail of it. Huh? On the bright side of the road. Here we go. The house cow. What that one is? Rainbow? And again, there's a rainbow. Rose garden. Let's see where the rose garden is. This has to be the rose garden. There's even a cow in the rose garden. How cute. You haven't got a name. Oh, Mary Falls. This is just Morrinsville. It's all of this area, isn't it? I'm thinking. Found the river at last. Right, let's go. 95 metres along Studholme. Canadian-born Thomas Morin, who Morrinsville is named after, built his Lockerbie estate before expanding with a blacksmith's shop and the Jolly Cripple Hotel. It's saying this was the site across the river. Over there is where the first store and hotel in Morrinsville was, the Jolly Cripple. Huh? How nice. Carry on. There's going to be signs all along the way. How cute. Even when the Piako River flooded, many locals still preferred using the river, bringing small steamers laden with goods into Morrinsville. Pressure to sell local land. Oh, this is lovely. fat knot in that tree. Huh. Well. Sparks from train engines contributed to many peat fires that occurred along the railway line in those early days. The railway line to Rotorua was nearly finished when Mount Tarawera erupted in 1886, burying the pink and white terraces, which was the drawcard for the line in the first place. The line was completed 8 years later in 1894, now using the thermal attractions and health benefits to lure tourists into the Rotorua area. Ten of me. All good. Oh, lovely. Oh. Swing a bit. Up higher from this Piako River. Nice. The Piako Iti stream and the Piako Nui streams converge to form the Piako River, which continues all the way to the Firth of Thames. The river is 104 kilometres long with well over 2,000 tributaries. Berries, wild berries all along this part of the walk. See? Blackberries. Put that over there. I wonder what that sign says. I can't read it. Warning. Oh, there's a warning. The other side of the train bridge. Oh, I wonder. Where was my path over there then? Oh, I'm lost. Water, water everywhere. The Great Flood. Ooh. Christmas Day of 1906 was fine and sunny, but by New Year's Day, thunderstorms rolled in and unsettled weather continued for 2 more weeks. On January the 16th, 1907, a train from Thames stopped on the Te Aroha side of this Piako rail bridge as water levels rose rapidly. Orders were given for the train to return to Te Aroha by a railwayman carrying the message across the now submerging bridge. The train made it back in time before washouts occurred along the track. Look at that plant stuck in the path. That is so cute. Oh, so soft. So soft and fluffy. How lovely. Oh no. Not going left, I'll go straight along here. Hope to goodness it's the right track. Still along the river. Surely I can't get lost. Then again, it is me. Cool. I can tell funny actually. Oops. Oh, beautiful. Lovely. Up close. Nice. Let's get back on track. Out to a road. Oh, hi goats. Nice under there. Nice. Big red balls. It's random. Oh, I told you. Oh. Are they talking about that pond? Oh no, sorry. I don't have anything. Hi, but no, you can't eat my finger. Whoops, a bit close. Hello, are you friendly? Hey. A friendly goat. Billy goat? Nice. I love your goatee. It's beautiful. No, don't do me. Okay, gotta carry on. Robert's waiting. Okay, bye. Oh, yay. There we are. Back to the start. That's where I started. Well, over here somewhere, on the other side of that bridge. That's where I started. Yahoo! I can go back to Fiji. And no, it wasn't where I started from. It's a totally different bridge, and it took Robert some time to eventually find me. There's people under there.
Check the mic and make sure it sounds right.
There's children under the big cow.
It sound right, boy.